Unlock early sales and build hype for your upcoming product launches by mastering pre-orders in your Shopify store. First things first, we need an app to handle the pre-order functionality. Head over to your Shopify admin, click on Apps in the left-hand menu. In the Shopify App Store, type Preorder into the search bar. You'll find a variety of excellent options. Browse through the results and select an app that suits your needs. Look for apps with good reviews and features that align with your business. Once you've chosen one, click Add App to install it into your store. After installation, you'll typically be directed to the app's dashboard. This is where you'll configure your pre-order settings. The core of enabling pre-orders is linking them to specific products. Find the option within the app to select the product you want to list for pre-order. This might be a new item you're about to launch or a popular product that's temporarily out of stock. Next, you'll need to set the pre-order availability. This usually involves specifying a future shipping date or an expected release date for the product. Clear communication here is key for customer satisfaction. To clearly signal to your customers that this is a pre-order, most apps allow you to customize the product page. You can change the Add to Cart button text to something like Preorder Now or Reserve Yours. You can also adjust the product description to clearly state that it's a pre-order, mention the estimated shipping date, and manage expectations regarding delivery times. This transparency builds trust. Many apps offer additional features, like adding a countdown timer to create urgency, or allowing you to collect customer email addresses for launch notifications. Explore these to boost engagement. And that's it. Your product is now live for pre-orders, allowing you to generate early sales, gauge demand, and keep your customers excited about your upcoming offerings.